A very warm welcome to all my dear friends watching this video. Hope you all are doing great. I'm Mitra. Welcome to Feel Good. My dear friends, if you think about the very purpose of life, we need to stress upon two important aspects. One is being happy, and the other is keeping others happy. To be happy, what it takes is clarity of mind. And to keep others happy, all it takes is a compassionate mind. Clarity in mind and compassion in heart are the two great components that would make this earth a better place for life. Once in a village, there lived a farmer with his family and a herd of goats. He had some 50 to 60 goats in his farming area. He lived with his family and goat happily and peacefully. After some days, this farmer had a problem because of his neighbor's hunting dogs. The farmer's neighbor is a hunter and he had a group of hunting dogs. The hunter did not care to chain up his hunting dogs and he carelessly left them roam around. These hunting dogs would often get to the farmer's land to attack the goats, and many times the goats were hurt and injured severely. The farmer felt very disturbed about the problems created by his neighbor's hunting dogs, so he went to his neighbor's house and complained about the problem. But the neighbor did not pay heed to, nor did he agree to tie up his hunting dogs so as to prevent them from attacking the poor goats. Instead, he gave the farmer a very smirky reply that it is the nature of the hunting dogs and he cannot do anything about it. This problem went on. Every day the farmer and his goats faced this problem because of these dangerous dogs. Days passed by, but the farmer's problem did not get solved. One day, when the farmer was not around his farming land, the hunting dogs arrived and attacked and killed many of the goats. Tens and twenties of the poor goats were injured and got killed by the hunting dogs. This time, farmer got deeply saddened for many of his goats were killed. So he got very angry and annoyed, could not control his anger and sorrow, and went to the panchayat leader of his village to complain about his problem. The panchayat leader was a wise man. He understood the problem and he told the farmer that he could easily punish his hunter neighbor, but if he does so, then his neighbor would become an eternal enemy for him. As they live next to each other, they would have to face each other every day, and if the farmer punishes his neighbor, they have to face each other every day with enmity and animosity. The panchayat leader asked the farmer if he wants to develop such a hatred atmosphere with his neighbor. The farmer said no, he does not want to have an eternal enmity with his neighbor because that would affect his peace of mind also. So the panchayat leader then gave an idea to the farmer and said, if you do so, your problem would be set right in an amicable way. The farmer went home happily and he chose two beautiful goat kids and gifted them to the hunter's children. The children were very happy and they became fond of the little goats and grew more affectionate towards them. As days went by, the hunter's children developed a strong bond with the goats, and the goats were treated as family. Now, the hunter had to automatically tie up his hunting dogs in order to safeguard the two goats with which his two children were very affectionate and possessive. So, the hunter did not want his hunting dogs to hurt the beautiful goats, and he kept his dogs chained all the time. And as days went by, the hunter and his family became friendly with our farmer and his family. And so eventually, the farmer's problem also got solved in an amicable way. Now, both the families lived happily. Yes, my dear friends, We do have problems every day and we can find as many solutions if we think. But the most important thing is what kind of a solution we are okay with. Does that really solve your problem, or would it solve one problem and create another immediately? So, we need to think about it and choose the right solution, and for that, we need clarity in our minds and compassion in our hearts. I wish you all choose solutions that bring peace to you as well as to people around you. I wish a lot of good things happen to you, my dear friends. I will meet you in my next story. And if you like this video, please subscribe to Feel Good channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Be good, be safe, be compassionate. This is your Mitra saying bye for now with lots of love.